So in a few hours, the Pixel 6 will go official. Yes, the most exciting phone of this year is about to arrive. This is all you need to know about the Google Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro. So both these devices will have similar cool looking design, that is a hole punch on top center which is a Samsung panel, and both have got a massive camera module which may look hideous but is really powerful. Google is using 50 megapixel Samsung GN1 sensor which can capture 150% more light than the Pixel 5. So you guys can imagine the wonders Pixel 6 series can shoot. They are doing some fun changes as well, like magic eraser, face unblur and next level color accuracy. The Pixel 6 Pro is gonna have a periscope lens with 4x lossless zoom, and the front facing camera is of higher megapixel count than the Pixel 6. So you pay more and get better features. The Pixel 6 versus Pixel 6 Pro, this Full HD versus Quad HD, 90Hz versus 120Hz display panel, no periscope on 6 versus periscope on 6 Pro. So there are some differences, but rest of the specifications are equally same in both these devices. This time with the Pixel 6 series, Google is going all out, launching them with the Android 12, and on top of this promising 4 years of major and 5 years of security patches. That is something no one except Apple have ever done, so this is a long-term software support. Here this all will be powered by in-house Tensor CPU, which Google says fast, secure and safe. Tensor aka GS101 has got 2 Cortex-X1 Supercore, 2 Cortex-X1 Supercore, 4 Cortex-A55 and 2 Cortex-A76. Again, 2 Cortex-X1 is insane. There's Mali G78 GPU, so the gaming might be similar to Samsung S21 Exynos, but again Google have done some massive changes in terms of software, so that do makes a difference. Here also not to mention Tensor CPU also contains machine learning, Pixel Visual Core, Titan M2 security chip and whatnot. So this may not be the fastest CPU on board, but is definitely something way powerful than rest. The Pixel 6 Pro has a 5000 mAh massive battery, so with 10Hz to 120Hz display and Tensor CPU, it can last a day or two in normal usage. The Pixel 6 will have a 4614 mAh battery, and fun part is both of them can charge at 30 watts. So yes, awesome specifications. Both are IP68, are coming in cool color options, sorta sunny, sorta seafoam and stormy black. Yes, there's Material U icing on top of this phone. See, Android 12 Material U is something that is gonna be the MVP of this device. You can change colors, accent, apply some exciting widgets, and this along with loads of privacy centric features. So with powerful hardware, there comes way powerful software. This all at not so expensive price, which is $599 for the Pixel 6 and $898 for the Pixel 6 Pro. So which one are you picking, Pixel 6 or Pixel 6 Pro? The speed test, battery test will be on my channel, so make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.